There are hundreds of different dividend portfolio trackers online. Most of them have the same problem. You are doing all of the work. You have to build these elaborate spreadsheets and manually update the data. You're manually entering the current dividend, updating the prices, manually updating payment dates, ex-dividend dates, dividend growth rates, payout ratios. It is a constant problem of copy and paste that only gets worse the bigger your portfolio becomes. So that's why I built the best dividend portfolio tracker on the market, which automatically updates with live stock data. That's right, it's live, it refreshes, and it goes directly into your spreadsheet. And it works in both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. And the best part is, today I'm giving it away for free. Let me show you how it works. My name is Zach, this is Dividend Data, and we build financial tools specifically for dividend investors. The spreadsheet I'm going to be sharing today runs on top of our data platform, Dividend Data. We just launched these new spreadsheet add-ins, which instantly let you call all of our data, 30 plus years of financial history, every single metric you could think of, and you can pull it live into your spreadsheet. These add-ins are required for the dividend spreadsheet to work, and you can sign up and download for free with the link in the description and pinned comment of the video. Also, you'll find the link to download this exact template that I'm using throughout the video. It works on both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so go ahead and download that so you can follow along as I explain how it all works. Once you sign up, you can copy your own Google Sheet version of the template or download our version for Microsoft Excel. Hit make a copy, and boom, you have a blank spreadsheet template with the instructions to follow. I already know those though, so we can go ahead and delete that. There's also a setup guide down here which explains everything you need to know. And as I start to build a portfolio here, you'll see the problems that I'm talking about, which this solves. So we head over to the portfolio tab and we need to enter in our information. And if we weren't using the Dividend Data add-in to get all of this live data, you not only would have to enter the ticker, the shares, the average cost, but you'd have to keep all of this information up to date. The price, the forward-looking dividend, the yield, the ex-dividend date, the payment date, the frequency, the 5-year dividend growth rate, the payout ratio, the P/E ratio. But with our add-in, all you have to do is type in your ticker symbol, and we'll say you have 100 shares of Coca-Cola. And you can see that it's already pre-filling with the data. And let's say you have an average cost of $50 per share. And you can see how instantly this all fills in. This is live data, and this works just the same in Excel. So as an example, I'll just load in an entire portfolio as an example, and it will start loading in the information. Now, when you do this many stocks at once, it does take a little bit longer to update, but you get the gist. It's automatically updating. That's a game changer. And we can do the same over here back in Google Sheets. We have all of this data, whether it's dividend, forward yield, ex-dividend date, payment date, dividend growth rates. It's all dynamically updating, which means your entire dashboard is updating as well. And I built a lot of tools here. We have the front dashboard, which gives you an overview of the whole portfolio as well as some graphs, and then your own dividend income calendar. So again, instead of hunting and copy pasting all of this information, having it fall out of date, all you have to do is enter in what stocks you own. That's it. And then you instantly know the total portfolio value of your account, the projected annual dividend income on a go-forward basis. So this sample portfolio I gave, $484,000 total value, $17,900 of annual dividend income. That's $1,492 a month. You can see your weighted portfolio yield, which is 3.69%. There's 18 holdings I put into this account. The highest yield holding is HESM, and the fastest growing dividend is also HESM. That's a stock I've covered quite a bit on this channel. And then on this homepage, you can see the upcoming ex-dividend dates. So this lets you know when the next time you have to buy a stock in order to get the next dividend is. And it also gives you a little overview of the upcoming payment dates as well. And this starts to plan out your payment schedule. This becomes very useful if you're someone who's close to retirement and you're currently living off of your dividend income. You can also see your top holdings by annual dividend income in these graphs, as well as the diversification of that income by sector, and then a view of your projected annual dividend income every single month over the year. And then we have a specific page just focused on your dividend income calendar. It shows your payment schedule of everything coming up. It shows your payment schedule for all the stocks in your account, how frequently they pay out, and you can see exactly what's expected every month of the year. And because we're leveraging the dividenddata.com spreadsheet add-in, we can pull a bunch of historical data, and this is also fully customizable. So this is just an example template that I made. I will be making a ton more templates, which will be available for free. So sign up, enter your email, and you'll be notified about those future templates. But you can also build anything you want. And I'm talking way beyond just prices. I'm talking 30 plus years of financial history, every metric you could think of. Specifically for dividend investors here, we have the ex-dividend date, the payment date, the frequency, the 5-year dividend growth rate. You can also call the 1, 3, 5, and 10-year dividend growth rates. You can see the payout ratio here of the stock. This is very important in terms of dividend safety. But we can also take a look at free cash flow dividend payout ratio. And if you want, you can dive in and pull the entire payout ratio of a stock. And this data goes well beyond dividends. We even have P ratios here as an example. This is over the trailing 12 months by default. So this spreadsheet template I made, it's designed for dividend investors, which is our core audience here. And I think automatically having the dividend growth rates and payout ratios with you in your spreadsheet tracker, automatically updating, I think it's a game changer. The reason why all of this works is because of our spreadsheet add-in, which you can also start using for free. And once you install it, you can access 30 plus years of financial history for 80,000 plus tickers. It's available on Google Sheets and Excel. And that spreadsheet template, it was only scratching the surface of what you can do. You can load in full financial statements in seconds with the spreadsheet add-in. You can load in the full dividend history of a stock in seconds, give you an entire overview of everything related to that stock, the full history and every single time they raise the payment, and individual custom functions which allow you to call all of that specific data and have it update live. You can build your own trackers. So this product can get very deep, but I made this spreadsheet template to keep it super easy for you guys. And I'll be making many more templates. And this portfolio tracker, it will work whether you have 5 stocks or 150 stocks. By the way, if you want to update this spreadsheet ever or any dividend data function, I'll give you instructions for both Google Sheets and Excel. If you're in Google Sheets, head over to Extensions, Dividend Data. You can either hit Force Refresh Sheet on this menu, or you can open up the Dividend Data sidebar. And on there, you have our quick actions. That's how I loaded in the financial statements earlier. But you can also just hit refresh right here. And then your information will come with live new data. So if you close it and you come back in a few days or a week and you want to refresh it with the latest data, you just hit refresh. And you can see over here that it's loading in the new information. Then if we head over to Excel, it's pretty similar. Currently, I'm on the web version of Excel. Dividend data and the spreadsheet template also works completely fine in the desktop version. Functions exactly the same. So you have your ribbon bar up here. After you install the add-in, you'll have this new dividend data tab. And all you have to do is come up here and hit refresh data. And then boom, it will start to update with the new information. I like how Excel has this refresh animation so you know when the data is coming in. Also, you can open the sidebar and do the same refresh on the Excel version. This is typically how I refresh it myself. So that's how you can keep your spreadsheet up to date. So if you're a serious investor who wants to upgrade your current spreadsheet or just start your portfolio tracking in a system that you own and control, which is fully customizable, then go ahead and use the link in the description and pinned comment below. Download our free dividend tracker template, then download your version in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Make sure you have our add-in installed, and then go ahead and just start investing. You got the tools, you got the templates. The most important part is just investing. Dividend investing and all forms of value investing, it's a long-term strategy. So you have to stay consistent and disciplined for years and years and years. If you want to win, you have to stay consistent and track your progress towards goals. I made this free spreadsheet to make that easier for you guys. So with that said, thanks for watching. Head over to dividenddata.com and the link to the template is in the description below. See you in the next video.